A student came to me. She said, oh, our toaster oven broke last night. And she showed me like 3 options on her computer. Which one should we buy? Which one will be the most sustainable? And then all of a sudden it just struck me, the most sustainable thing to do is to fix the one that was working for you up until yesterday.
When Fix It Friday just started, we had fixed a few things, returned it to a few teachers, and then a week later we had faculty from like all across Menlo saying, hey, we have something we need to fix.
It's not really just about fixing things, it's a lot about the effort that we put into the projects. I mean, we're literally taking apart projects and trying to fix them with little to no knowledge to start with.
Here, do you see these little guys? That's really sensitive.
It's all the engineering I teach in, like, for example, ASR, except done in the reverse.
A huge part of it is understanding how systems work, and through that understanding being able to identify what the problem is.
One of the more interesting ones was the classic toaster.
So far, what I've been doing has been making sure that there's current running through all of these wires.
Eventually, we found out that it wasn't an electrical or magnetism problem, it was actually just a mechanical problem. But I was still able to learn a lot about magnetism and circuitry.
Yeah, it's working.
It's really cool to see that non-linear path.
It's an increasingly consumerist society. So the only thing I can hope is that there's people that are willing to go out there and take the stuff that is broken or not used and do something with it.
The students have been super enthusiastic. The love that emanates on both sides, the love of fixing something and the love from the person who receives something that's fixed.
I've been able to meet so many people that I wouldn't have been able to meet otherwise and build connections with them.
It really goes to show that the small things we do in a class definitely have a big outreach to our community.
That feeling of just surprise and really joy, I think it's really shown me that I can really fix anything.
There's going to be a lot of difficult problems that lots of people will tell you are unsolvable, but you're going to be able to find a way.
That is the kind of thing we're trying to do as a school. Not treat the world as this black box, but empower yourself to understand how it works and make positive changes.
All right, fixed it. Good job.